right, my people, welcome back. Well, it's a breaking news. Chief Sunday Igboho is very sick right now as we speak. And then onto this, Yoruba traditional rulers finally visited Chief Sunday Igboho in Benin Republic. This is serious. And then meanwhile, according to what has been gathered, from his lawyer Salami, he has actually declared it. Well, we've heard this that Chief Sunday Igboho had been sick, but we never knew is this serious. My brother, my sister, this is serious. And then this had not made the Yoruba traditional rulers to finally visited him on his sick bed, and this had been causing a lot of reactions on social media. And then, according to what has been gathered, according to what has happened, and it is gathered that Chief Sunday Igboho actually, got a lot of injury by the right side of his rib that happened during the invasion. That was after the DSS invaded his Soka residence in Ibadan, Nigeria. So, in the course of escaping, and with all the things that actually happened, all the hurdles and the rest of it, he sustained no rib injury, which actually affected him. And then exactly what had been gathered, it has been said that Chief Sunday Igboho was actually trying to travel to Germany so that he can meet with his doctor over there so as to take care of himself. Unfortunately, he was apprehended at the Kajon airport in Benin Republic. And then meanwhile, the Yoruba traditional ruler had visited Chief Sunday Igboho on his sick bed, and then they had been able to give him some advices. And then onto this advice, my people, it's so shocking. It's so shocking with what the kind of advice they gave to Chief Sunday Igboho. And then according to what has been gathered, it has been said that they were like, oh, we are so sorry about your health issue. That is why we are here. And then the second thing they said was Chief Sunday Igboho should try as much as possible to forget about Yoruba nation. It's so absurd that he should forget about Yoruba nation, that he should think of his family if he actually want to see his family. And then with what has been gathered, Chief Sunday Igboho had been there for about 3 months, 3 good months, and a lot of people have been of the opinion that this is so unfair that he is supposed to have been released from Benin detention. Well, and then according to what the traditional rulers had said so far, they have said that Chief Sunday Igboho should try as much as possible to forget about the Ujua Nation agitation. And then according with what had been gathered, Chief Sunday Igboho has insisted that Ujua Nation now. And then they have said that if you want to be free from this detention, and then to me, I've now been saying it that, oh, that is so. You mean it's because of the agitation that is still the Republic of Benin has yet to release him? It's another serious one. Well, and so my question now has not been that what is the advice of everyone onto this? Because as it stands right now, as we all know, Chief Sunday Igboho is a wealthy man. That place he is, in fact, it's not a place to be. Some people would have been like, oh, he's there now, they are taking good care of him. No. The reverse had been the case with what had been gathered, even from the lawyer. The lawyer has said that it will be better that Chief Sunday Igboho is released in no time before it is too late. It's serious that it needs to be released before it is too late because his health condition is deteriorating. You understand things like that, and then he has advised a lot of dignitaries to talk onto this matter so that Chief Sunday Igboho would be released. And the majority of people have actually reacted in one way or the other onto this. And then my question has now been that should Sunday Igboho continues with the Ojibwa Nation agitation or he should back off? And then that has been my question. As we all know, Chief Sunday Igboho has his own family also as we speak, and he needs to see his family. No matter how people will say, "Oh, he is no, he is safe somewhere in Benin Republic," that he has been transferred to one a better prison. Prison is always a prison. It's always a prison. It can never be free in that place. So my advice had been that, or my question, so to say, is what should Chief Sunday Igboho do? Should he listen to the Yoruba traditional ruler by forgetting about the Oduduwa nation and follow the agreement of the Yoruba leaders who had said that they want one Nigeria, or he should continue with the agitation? And this is a question thrown to everyone. I think majority of people actually like need to answer this. And I know some people have onto their own part. They have been like, "Oh, Chief Sunday Igboho left to me." Oh, somebody is saying Chief Sunday Igboho should forget about the agitation and face his family and take care of himself. And then someone is like, okay, the federal government and the whole world have been, are aware, and they are aware that Chief Sunday Igboho, as it stands, he is not a criminal, but just that the federal government is just trying to play adamant on this part as if they don't know what is going on. But we all know that Chief Sunday Igboho is a freedom fighter. And right now, majority of people have been like, well, if Chief Sunday Igboho actually want to, leave and forget about it, fine. If that is what will make him to be free, I think it's better he forgets about the Ojibwa Nation agitation for now. And then some side of people have been like, that he should not even think of that. This is another serious one. That Chief Sunday Igboho himself is ready to face it squarely till the end. That the federal government is already exposed. That what the traditional rulers are supposed to do right now is to support Chief Sunday Igboho fully. And in fact, he should be released in no time. He does not deserve to remain in the custody of the Benin Republic. And then a lot of things had actually been said onto this one. Well, my people, that has been it on this. What more can we say? Meanwhile, let me have your take on this, my people. And remember to subscribe for more updates if you have not subscribed to this channel. Thanks and God bless.